Hey guys, welcome back to another video of The Risky Way, and today we are heading up to Tucson to go to a Rubik's Cube competition. I have all my Rubik's Cube right here. I can't wait. I'm really excited. I'm nervous though. I'm nervous for my competition. I don't know how I'm gonna do. I hope I do good though. I do good on my soul, I think. I don't know. But yeah, I really hope I do good on this. I'm excited to do it. We'll see you at the place.
Micah, what do you think so far?
This is pretty cool.
Yeah? Are you nervous to go up there?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, of course. I'm so nervous.
Micah's going up.
Keep that. I want to solve
Sure
it.
you bring it solved, okay? Oh, that's his. Okay.
Oh no.
All right, you got it, Micah.
And now my cue for my lunchbox.
Just breathe, Micah. You got it.
Nervous. Very nervous.
Micah's first competition. Good luck. One.
It was good.
Yeah?
It not the best, but it was a pretty good solve because I didn't get over 20 minutes.
Good.
Like 15.
You did good.
I normally average around that, but
You did really good.
I got 26.
All right, good. Micah just did his first one.
He did a 3x3 and he did so good.
But he still got, yes, 2 more rounds on the 3x3. He's waiting, he's excited. And he's making friends.
Always.
Jameson.
Wesley. Daniel.
At least you do better than me.
Oh, way better than the last boy.
I'm not doing good on Turbo right now.
Oh, it's okay. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I am.
Is it pretty cool to see?
It is. I'm not really doing good on Turbo right now.
It's all right. You got it. Just have fun. It's your first time.
Orion. Tyler M. Tyler S. John. Tyler M. Tyler.
Get up, dude.
Tyler M.
Francisco.
Just wait here.
James. Ryan. Jeremy.
I got an adjacent
Oh, I hate the lugs.
Hey, we just got done with my stuff, but so I did 3x3, and I think I did pretty good, except for that 2-minute slow. That was a pretty bad one, but it's fine. I think I did pretty good in 2x2 because that was my second event. And I think I did pretty good on that one too. So, the morning recap, I had to wake up, just get ready. I had a shirt on. It's a pretty cool one. Because if you got a problem, I'll solve it. It's pretty funny. So, the river's good. So, yeah. Then we had to leave a little early, so I couldn't do 2 events, but it's fine. At least I gotta do some of them. Thank you all for watching, and stay risky.